Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, and this is our last video of the 12 holiday cookie video. And I'm going to tell you right now, it has been a wild ride. It's quite a way to come back. 12 videos in 12 days. It's been crazy around here. But anyhow, I've had a blast with this, and we are going to make our last video. And I'm going to tell you right now, I have had so many cookies. It's been crazy. I'm kind of over the sugar thing. And so I wanted to bring to you, for the very last video, I wanted to bring you a fun appetizer. So we are going savory, we're getting away from sweet, and most importantly, we're gonna toast the end of these videos with you. So anyhow, we're gonna make, they are cranberry brie bites. They're little tartlets, and they come together very quick. They're very easy. You can make these for any holiday party. And honestly, these are simple things you can have in your fridge, or you can grab at the store really quick and put together this awesome appetizer. So I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Let's make these last little tartlets. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, smash that like button, and let's get cooking. You can use a regular muffin pan or a mini muffin pan, and you're gonna put a little bit of cooking spray in here. We have just a regular pie crust. I'm gonna roll this out, and with a biscuit cutter, I'm gonna cut as many little rounds as I have holes in my muffin tin. You can save your dough for later. If you end up using a big enough pan and you use all the dough, you can roll out the little pieces that are missing in between and roll those into circles as well. We're going to press these down into our muffin pan, get them nice down in all the corners. As soon as they are all full, we're going to prick with a fork the center of these so they don't puff up at all. We want them to stay nice and flat and in the oven at 450 degrees for just about 5 to 7 minutes. While they're cooking, I'm going to cut some brie cheese here, and it's going to go on top of these after we stuff them. So they've come out of the oven. I'm going to use just regular cranberry sauce. You can do store-bought or self-made. About a teaspoon each inside the cooked little pie crust. And just get it nice and even. You don't want to overfill these. You just want the cranberry just to be a little present there. You don't want it to ooze and goose everywhere. We're going to top it with our brie cheese. And I've left the oven on. I'm going to pop these back in the oven for about 5 more minutes. I want the cranberries to bubble a little bit and the cheese to be melty on top, just like this. We're going to sprinkle with some fresh chives on the top of this, and they look very Christmassy, very holiday. I really love this quick and easy appetizer that you can put together for any occasion. Well, it has been quite a feverish job, but it has been actually so much fun to be here and bake with you guys. And these tartlets are super fun. Again, like I said, they come together super quick, as you guys saw, and they are absolutely beautiful. Let me show you one. They're so bubbly and awesome. They're best served warm. Let's give it a taste. Oh, they're so good. It's almost like a sweet tart pizza. If you don't want to use pie crust, you can use phyllo dough for these or Lacrier, but I think these are pretty awesome. They stand up to the cranberry. These are delicious. While I'm chewing this down, I'm going to say thank you so much for being here. It has been an honor to have you join me each day for these 12 days. Thank you so much. I'm going to say to you, Happy New Year, happy holidays. I'm going to spend this time with my family. I will see you guys in January. I hope you have a blessed holiday. I hope you have a safe holiday. I'll see you in 2024.